Hello everyone, this is Steve Hougard, and not too long ago I get a call from a potential client, and they said somebody's trying to take my property. And I said, I'm sorry? She said somebody's is suing me and is trying to take my property away from me, and I've had a really hard time. And so we dove a little further into the story, and this client had had a couple of deaths in her family recently and had been unable to work and had been caring for an aging parent. And wow, a lot of hard stuff. And in the meantime, there was the threat of a judicial foreclosure on one of her real estate assets. And she said, is there any way that you could help me find some funding just to help me get through this scenario till I can get back on my feet? And I said, well, let's lay out everything. And so I took a look at the few assets that she had, and I said, you know what, I can find an investor, a private investor, to help you fund this loan. And in fact, we can structure it so that we can build the interest into the loan. You don't have to make payments, and you can get the money to need to kind of stabilize your foundation, and then hopefully you can rebuild yourself over the next few years. So that's exactly what we did. I found a beautiful home. It wasn't even an occupied house, and it was in disrepair, but the value was there. And I matched it up with the right investor that would come along and be wanting to make kind of like this angel private loan to them. And the bottom line is that loan's funded. We were able to pay off the debtors that were coming after and give a little bit of breathing room. And I'm just excited to see that there's a solution out there, even if it doesn't fit in the box at the normal bank, that I'm able to sometimes match some of my relationships with private investors with people with needs. If you know anybody that's been through a hard time or has a unique funding situation and it just doesn't fit in the box, have them give me a call, and I'd be happy to take a look at it and see if we can come up with a solution. Thank you for watching.